welcome back to my channel. I am Auntie Tay, and if you're new here, you should click the subscribe button if you like series like organization or planning or crafting, Disney, Cricut, all the things that I tend to do. Today we are going to be talking about planner organization. Now I have accumulated probably way too much planner stuff over the years, but they're really important to me because it's kind of my way of journaling and documenting all the things that I've done in the last 10 or 15 years, however long I've been keeping a planner. So not only do I store old planners, but I also store new planner stuff. So today I'm going to show you guys how I organize it and all of my supplies and show you all the things that I have. Probably a little excessive, but I've seen worse on the internet. But let's get going, and I hope you guys enjoy all my planner stuff. Alrighty, to start, I keep most of my essentials in one box that I like to use all the time. And in this box I have things like protractors, stencils, and then this new cool doodad that we're carrying on shopantitay.com pretty soon that helps draw circles and straight lines. And then I love these papers from Project Life that I found at Tuesday Morning, and I just have a bunch of those. My little mini trimmer, which I'm also going to be having on shopantitay.com by We Are Memory Keepers pretty soon. It's like my holy grail, but a tiny version of it. Love it, so cute. And then I have more of these papers and some scrap papers. You guys know how much I love scrap paper. And then this glue pen, not gel, glue pen that I got at Hobby Lobby. So I keep all that handy, and then stickers are another story. So my new favorite way of storing stickers is in mini binders, even though mini binders seem to be falling off the face of the planet. They're harder to find, but I also use the long, skinny, what are they? The Craft 365 sticker pads, and I put those in the mini binders. And then all my print and cut stickers I put into rings and folders that go into the Happy Planner rings. The Craft 365 stickers are also Happy Planner stickers. So I use Happy Planner stickers mostly, and then I print and cut all of my own stickers. And I keep them generally in 3 mini binders and 1 large Happy Planner. I wouldn't keep this in like a big shell, but I have the big shell because I used to be a Happy Planner, but now I am definitely a bullet journaler. So what I do when I get these packs is I take them all apart and I separate them into categories. So I have categories like Christmas and fall and spring and Easter, and then I use these Avery insert dividers and organize them by category. That way, when I'm ready to plan Easter or specific things, I have them all in one spot, even though they're from like 6 or 7 different sticker bundles. Don't judge me. Yes, I'm obsessed with buying sticker bundles. So lay them all out, get them all ready, and see all your categories. I have a lot of different categories, but it's really beneficial because I can just grab one of these out and take it with me if I want to plan on the go or I want to do a fitness spread. I've got it in one little thing. So then once I have them how I like them, I will put them into different mini binders. So I've got like a Staples Everyday mini binder that I love, and then I have a decorative binder that I'll use when I have some more time. I have a travel one, and this is my main one. It has months, letters, numbers, holidays, and seasons. And so those are my absolute musts, and I love to just plan extra things whenever I can, and birthdays. And so that stays right here in my number 1 mini binder. And then my other mini binders have like travel and food and decorations and any extra doodads that I may want to use eventually, but not all the time. Okay, and then I have some other areas. I've got this folder that I keep all my old journal pages from all the journals I used to journal in and not finish. I ripped out all the pages and kept them in one of these. And then I have another file for all my print and cut planners that I print out, and I like to have them handy for when I want to do another spread and all that. And then I also have all my old planners from the last like 12 years just chilling in my handy dandy cart. And then I have this guy that is for extra fun when I'm traveling. It's kind of like just like my my box that I keep at home, I have this that has like scissors and glue and whiteout and some washi tape and paper and pens. This is for if I'm traveling and I'm gonna be having a lot of downtime and I want to just like scrapbook and or bullet journal. I like to take this with me and really dig into those really fun elements that I don't use all the time. And that's it.